Hello everyone, today we're excited to introduce the GUTINNEEN Indoor-Outdoor Rabbit Hutch, a versatile bunny cage on wheels designed with your pet's comfort and your convenience in mind. This hutch features two deep, removable pull-out trays that ensure no leaks and make cleaning a breeze, while its four wheels, including two locking ones, allow for easy mobility and secure placement both indoors and outdoors. Your small animals will love the spacious design, with a large open roof and 3 access areas for easy interaction and cleaning. The cozy 2-floor setup includes a warm loft connected by a ramp, providing a perfect habitat for bunnies, ferrets, hamsters, and more. Assembly is simple, thanks to clear instructions and all necessary hardware, ensuring you can set it up without hassle. If you ever encounter any issues, our dedicated support team is ready to assist you efficiently. Transform your pet's living space with the GUTINNEEN Rabbit Hutch, where comfort meets practicality. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.